Health and beauty items that are in your kitchen that no one talks about. Hello everyone, I'm Denise Cook. Welcome to my channel, and I wanted to share some tips on detoxing and saving money and using items in your kitchen for your health and beauty. So number one, some of you may know about my health journey, and I went into a very deep detox. And with that, I put nothing on my skin, hair, on my face for 2 full years. And I will show you a picture of my hair. My hair went from, when I was sick, like 2/3 of my hair fell out, and I regrew beautiful, long, thick, shiny hair in those 2 years. Now, granted, that is an internal job, but also what we do on the outside matters. So these items are literally in your kitchen, and they're a little gold mine, I promise you. So number one, now, what I used for shampoo was baking soda, and I'll put the exact measurements in the comments below. I just want to caution you on this. Try it once, be careful with it, because some people may not have the same results that I had. This may acidify your hair. It may cause some harm. So try it once and see how it works for you. Each one of us, we're uniquely individual. So this was all I used for shampoo for 2 years during this process. And then all I used for conditioner was this apple cider vinegar. It is truly amazing. It made my hair soft and just natural and beautiful. Now, granted, it doesn't smell good. You actually could put some essential oil drops in this when you make the paste. I did not do that back then. I was just hardcore about it, okay? So those 2 items. Now, the next one, which I absolutely love, is coconut oil. And it's important to make sure that you get the cold-pressed organic virgin coconut oil, because a lot of these oils out there on the market now are mixed with, highly acidifying oils you do not want to put on your skin. So this I used for multiple things also. Number one was oil pulling for my mouth. I did not brush my teeth with toothpaste. I again used baking soda and coconut oil mixed together to brush my teeth. Not only does it whiten your teeth, but it's also an age-old Ayurvedic procedure, whatever you want to call it, that they say done first thing in the morning when you tongue scrape, and then you do the oil pulling. It's meant to pull the bacteria out of your mouth. So you just want to be really careful when you do this. You're going to brush your teeth with it first, rinse your mouth if you use the baking soda, then put another, like a tablespoon of the oil in your mouth, and you're just going to swish it for like 10 to 20 seconds. Don't gargle with it, and make sure not to swallow it. But you're just going to swish it, swish it, swish it. Make sure not to put it down your sink, because it gets hard when it's at room temperature. Make sure to put it in the garbage can. Do that. I guarantee you, you will see your teeth get whiter with that. The other thing that I did with this is I put it on my skin as my moisturizer. Now, yes, it could tend to be a little bit greasy, but I just took a very small amount and put it on my skin. There was no lotion, just straight up coconut oil. And the other thing that you can do with this is put a small little amount on your hand with your dry hair and work it through the ends of your hair. And it can seal and moisturize that hair. So I just wanted to give you guys some free tips on what I did that helped me heal my body, heal from autoimmune. You want to keep the toxicity, all that toxicity we put on our skin matters. It matters. And right now, with the way of the economy, if we can save money, you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on all these, the next passing fad or all these expensive products. You can literally start here and try with these items. So let me know if you try it. I so want to know what your results are. So much love, guys. Mwah. More coming soon.